Speedy Wheels.
Speedy Wheels is an icon of the wheel industry in Australia. It's been around since 1957. That's a hell of a long time, and that's really happened by no accident. The core values of the business have always been around developing premium products at competitive pricing, and all our products are underwritten by our industry-leading product guarantee warranty. We've got the ability to machine blanks in our Sydney machining centre. We take a wheel that's been fully produced except for the bolt pattern of the vehicle, and then we can drill it and machine it to the required offset of, say, older rear-wheel drive vehicles that maybe are still in the market that people have difficulty in finding products for. And in recent times we've developed the Wheel Magician tool. This database will provide you with accurate information on the wheels which we have currently, and also tells you whether they're in stock or not. Nothing changes the look of a car more than a great set of wheels. I hope you found some wheels of your choice on our website today. Enjoy your motor car, enjoy your wheels.